It's Cheap Survival coming back at you again with another video. And today I have this hand crank flashlight review. And I found this at a dollar store. It was one of those dollar stores. There's a few of them. It did have some kind of lanyard thing on it. That I took that off, or it fell off, something like that. Pretty bright. I mean, not too bad. Looks like an LED. Just press this lever down. And crank it. And leave it. I think it's great. You know, bug out bag, anything, camping, keep around the house. It's just a great multi-purpose tool. Well, not tool, but light. It is quite amazing. I've never had the battery run out. Ever. I've even intentionally tried to do it. It lasts quite a while. And I have two of these. Yeah, great little thing. It's well worth it because, you know, only paid $1. Great flashlight. Took it camping. I find it to be amazing. Not exactly sure what the specifications on this because it didn't mention very much. Not sure how many lumens, but it's pretty good. I found it to work pretty good. Walking around the campsite and stuff. Then walking to the bathroom because that was a hike. But great little thing. Figured I'd just get this quick video done. Yeah, there it is. And another thing I thought about doing that would be interesting is to take it apart and see if I can't convert it to a phone charger. I had that idea, but haven't gotten around to it yet. I may try, may not. I don't know if I want to sacrifice one of these because I only have two. And I can't find them at the dollar store anymore. At least not the one I have near me. But overall, pretty great little thing. Well, this has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, subscribe. Over and out.